stunning garden decor ideas for your small pond. Transform your garden pond and everything okay and easier. Thank you thing. In this video we'll explore decoration ideas for UX beauty of outdoor space and garden. From clean water. In this video you can see many interactive for your garden. These are various glorious ideas for your garden decor. Welcome to our guide on how to decor a garden pond. Garden means small pond and small pots. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ideas will help you enhance the beauty of your outdoor sanctuary. With these art and garden decor ideas, you can transform your pond into a haven of tranquility and beauty. With the idea for excited to try your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more tips and tricks. Visiting my channel, see more ideas for garden landscape design.